Alright, so I still got off the bus, and if I'm correct, I should have a package on the front porch, which should be my cube. I swear I dropped something. Yeah, so it was my pencil. So yeah, that is the lingo. Oh snap, there it is. It says Prime on it, but I don't have Amazon Prime. It's weird. What's up, Leo? So let's go unbox this. Okay, so as you just now saw, I received a package, and I know what it is, but unless you guys don't, well, unless you actually like keep up with my videos and watch them all, then you might know what it is, because I did say it in a recent video, I'm pretty sure. But there's the package, and we're about to unbox it right now. I'm just gonna set up my camera. Alright, so here we have the package. I've like never set up my camera like this before. This is actually really weird. But let's go ahead and open this this thing. And of course I can't just tear it open without these scissors. Actually, just try opening it like a normal human being. I can open it like this. Yeah. Oh, I'm smart. Boom. I know such a little item for such a big box, but let's open this thing up and get into this. What we got here, we got some Asian writing right there. More Asian writing. An Asian guy. Some cubes. I don't know what the fuck is this. It says Yang Jun Yulong. And some more Asian writing right there. So let's just open this up. Yeah, open it up like the worst way we possibly can. Oh. Poor Asian guy. Controversy. Oh yeah. Ooh, like feel kind of clicky too. I like click. Okay, right. So we got kind of like neon colors here, and instead of a red, we got a pink, which I kind of like actually. No homo. And yeah, these are all really light and bright colors. And I guess I'm gonna solve it next clip. So yeah, fucking Asians. Got the cube all scrambled up nicely right here, and I'm pretty shabby, you know, pretty rusty, if you know what I mean, bro. So we gonna solve. I'm gonna put a time on the screen, by the way, so I won't know the time is, but y'all will. So wait, let me examine this B first. All right. Yuck. I'm terrible. Broadcast on a piece. Oh, look at that, my phone's at 5%.
That's not Black Mountain.
My sisters. Where's that at?
There's a picture of your dad and your stepmom.
That's weird. Alright.